like a criminal. I'm on the streets in the dead of night. I'm waking up in the woods. I'm feeling dirty inside my soul, but I need somebody who can help me come clean. I'm at the border down by Mexico. I don't know which way I should turn.
Como é que tá a situação aí?
Ela tá preso no muro e passar o reboco. Já vamos liberar o campo pro jogo.
Ok, Roger that.
I'm not a criminal. You got me in your hands, and I got nothing at all. You got me believing you're someone I'm needing, but I'm a brick in your wall. You got me in your hands, and I'm running. You got me running like a criminal.